for another episode of
What's in the box?
Let's see what's in the box!
They say serial killers always go by three names. Clint Michael Tacey here from InkMirrors.com and the I Like a Spooky Horror podcast with another What's in the Box unboxing video. And well, what's inside this box is a serial killer that we actually discussed earlier this year on the I Like a Spooky Horror podcast. So let's pop them open and see where this pre-ordered item came from and what it is. It came from Scream Factory, and it is my 5-inch burnt to a crisp Good Guys Chucky action figure from NECA and Real Toys, issued through Scream Factory. Again, it's like a 5-inch action figure. The display box is 7 inches. I love the look of the box. I love all the cool Good Guys stuff all over the place. Even the box has a burnt kind of old look to it. If I had a complaint, it would be the display window. Because as you can see, this Chucky is very detailed, but you can't get a full look at him. I wish that window was a little bit bigger because I wouldn't, I'm not going to take this out of the box, but. And then you can see too that, again, it's a 5-inch. So it's quite a bit smaller than, like, say, my McFarlane Maniacs Chucky signed by Alex Vincent and Todd McFarlane there. Yeah, it's a fraction of the size, but still cool nonetheless. Now, I got lucky and pre-ordered this earlier this year, right when it came out, and I could get then just the standalone figure. This is still available, so if it's something that you're interested in getting, just go to Shout Factory or ScreamFactory.com, type in Child's Play in the search window, and it'll bring up the options, which again, there's still a limited amount of these left, but now you can't get them standalone. You have to get them with the bundle pack with the movies and some new artwork, which there's some cool stuff there. I've just never been the biggest Child's Play fan, but I could not pass down this figure because it is gloriously detailed and makes me happy. All right, everybody. Tune in next time to the What's in the Box unboxing video series here in about a week, because we've got something new coming next week just before Thanksgiving. See you then.